This is the quarterly box, and I have no idea who the curator was. Do you? Hey guys, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. This is my PR icon box. We're going to go through it. There should be 8 full-size items, and I'm pretty sure it's like $60 a month now. I don't know. Pretty sure. All right, so there's quite a bit in here. Oh, let's start with the Give Beauty. All right, let's pull this back here. What do we have by Miss Give? Okay, so we've got what looks like a lipstick here. I can barely read the boxes, so we're just going to open it and figure it out. Ooh, that's a pretty shade. Really? Not now. Sorry, shade. Okay, here it is. Beautiful. Let's try it. Oh, I like her. I don't know if she'd look good on me or not. I'm going to be perfectly honest with you. But yeah, not really into pinky kind of nudes sometimes. Depends on the day. Okay, the next thing by Give is an eyeliner. Yes, it looks like oh, it's blue. Okay, this is gorgeous, but I'm not into blues, and I'm pretty sure I already have this one. All right, so moving on. A clean skin product and clean to the planet by Ren Beauty. This here is a serum by Glycol Lacquade Radiance Renewal Mask. I'm sorry, it's not a serum, it's a mask. Okay, hi, do you want to open? I really would like to see what you look like. Okay, ooh, okay, so how do you use her? First amount over the face, 10 minutes. Okay, so you put this on for 10 minutes and then you wash it off. Next, we have a perfume. Did I get like here? Forgot about this thing. Okay, so we have a perfume. Maison Louis Marie, number 13. Very basic packaging. Very, very basic. Very light scent. It's got a little roll-on ball. I'm not a big fan, but after a few minutes it might smell better. So, okay, the perfume is different. I haven't seen one of those in here in a while. Ah, it is Gwen Stefani. She is so beautiful. Look at her. That's the curator. Should have guessed. We'll just open some Give stuff. Okay, next up, Szechuan. Szechuan hair cream, heat protectant. Okay. Next, oh, we got 3 items left. Oh, Anastasia and a brush. This has got to be the brow freeze. If not, it's a pomade. Brow freeze! Oh my gosh, you guys know, we have this. I have this. We probably all have it. Anyhow, she works good. We like her. And then they gave me a brush too. I like that. It's a little spoolie. And on the other side, looks like a spatula. Okay, I'm liking that. Very cool. Okay, what do we have next? By KVD Beauty, a long defined tubing mascara. You can always use mascaras because those damn things just go way too quickly. Here it is here. Looking forward to that. Is it black? Are you black? Can't tell. I'm pretty sure it is. Then again, having a hard time reading it. Yes! Ink, black, 10 on the box. I see. All right, so we have an eyeshadow palette. Dominique Essential palette. This is a heavy palette. Wow. Okay. I hear Kayla in the background. She's like, ah! Oh my gosh, look at her. How cute. And that's just the package. Wow, these are big pans. But look, we got shimmers and mattes. Ooh, she is gorgeous. What do you guys think? I'm liking that a lot. Awesome, let's recap and then you can tell me what you think. So the very awesome Dominique Essentials palette is in here. Then we have the brow freeze with the brush. Then we've got the KVD mascara. We have the perfume. Wait, let's see. No, no, definitely a no on the perfume. I gotta wash that off. Oh my gosh. Okay, sorry, I didn't mean to be dramatic, but. And then we have the Hair Protectant Cream. We've got the Ren Beauty Mask. This is quite a very well curated box. We've got an eyeliner and we've got a lipstick. That was everything, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Everything. So I'm going to put prices for you guys on the screen. Let me know, what did you think? I thought that was pretty well curated. I'm kind of excited to use some of this new stuff. I recently did a huge declutter. I mean, huge declutter. And I did take a little video, maybe I'll post it on the shorts, but I had to go through everything because I was so overwhelmed looking at all the products I had. Absolutely insane. And for some reason with me, everything's got to be in order. Otherwise my mind is just, I can't place things. It's just crazy. So thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you guys have any questions or comments, put them down below. I will do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys real soon in another one. Bye.